Hi everyone! I hope that everybody is doing well. I'm Lena from Sublistar. Now, let's talk about sportswear today. How do you know that your sportswear have a very good quality? Well, the first thing you need to take into account when you talk about sportswear or when you get sportswear is the elasticity, right? The fabric of a sportswear are made of elastic fibers. So as long as your t-shirt, your pants are elastic, it means that it has a good quality. But only don't pay attention to the fabric itself. You also need to pay attention to the design. The design of the pattern printed on it also needs to be elastic and firm. Okay, now as you can see here, this is our anti-stretch DTF powder. Look, it's very fine, as you can see, and this powder is very easy to melt, right? But for example, what happens if you put on a fiber the normal hot melt powder in a cotton t-shirt? Well, if you do that, I'm sure that you will get exactly the result you need. But what happens if you use, instead of the anti-stretch DTF powder, you use the hot melt powder, the ordinary one, in an elastic fiber? I'm afraid that you won't get the result you want. Why? Because when you stretch the powder, the pattern won't stretch alone. It might crack, and I'm sure that you won't be very agreed with the result. So if you want to use 5 elastic fibers and print a design, the best choice for you is to use the anti-stretch DTF powder, because when you finish, it will have a much better result and the fiber will last longer.
Now we peel off 2 films to see the effect. First, the anti-stretched one. Let's stretch it. You can see clearly that the elasticity is good and it's almost back to its original shape. Then, peel off the original one. It is obvious that the pattern is broken and cracked, so the elasticity of the design with anti-stretched powder is better than the ordinary one.
Okay guys, here you can see we have prepared a fiber. This is lycra, and the lycra is usually very elastic.
Put the fabric flat on the heat press plate. Put the anti-stretched film on the left and put the ordinary film on the right. Set the temperature at 165 degrees and the time 15 seconds. Peel off the 2 films after cooling down. Okay, let's stretch them to see the difference between the 2 patterns. Take a closer look. You can clearly see the pattern that used the anti-stretched powder is more elastic.
Okay. The anti-stretched powder is fine and very easy to melt. When you finish the product, when the product is printed on the t-shirt, so the t-shirt will be stretched resistant. So if you want to print a design on elastic fiber, definitely the anti-stretched powder is the best choice for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe and share with your friends. So this is all for the video of today. See you next time. Bye bye.